Hi, everyone. I'm so excited to get started with you in distance learning. I want to just give you a quick little welcome and overview of what's going on, and I look forward to seeing you in our first meeting. So the first block we'll be getting together in the Zoom setting, and sometimes we'll meet in Zoom, and sometimes I'll just have an open room in Zoom, and you can pop in if you want, if you have a question, but you don't need to, and I'll be there the whole block to answer questions. Sometimes I might not be there if I have to step out, but you should be able to find other classmates and maybe you can help each other out. So it'll just be like an open classroom. Another way that we'll be chatting could be face to face, more like a one-on-one thing. And if you want to do that, you can schedule time during the extra help hours on the calendar. And I have a link that you'll find on PowerSchool to click on that and make a date, um, a certain time on that date, and it'll give you a Google Meets link. And then you just click there, and I'll see you in Google Meets at that time. Um, Finally, there'll be some class discussions where you'll have an activity and then you'll submit to a discussion. And then for other work that's not discussion based, just like individual work, you'll be submitting that mostly through a shared Google Doc, and you're going to create that on your first day. It'll be journaling, and then also some like small assignments like homework. You could think of it like that. So that's how we'll be sharing and submitting work. Look around on PowerSchool, see if you can find things like how to get in touch with me, how to schedule a one-on-one meeting, how to find the Zoom link, where your assignments are. I think that the schedule should be helpful so you can see what to do each day. And then also looking at the assignments kind of tab on, not a tab, but like a block on PowerSchool so you see which assignments to do. That might be more helpful than using your calendar. And we'll chat about all this, but let me know if you have any questions, and I look forward to seeing you. Bye.